In the year 29, when the weather was fine, I first took me way to the sweet fair and trim, to sell a fine swine, sure it was me design. She was plump, fat and fair, and complete in each limb. This pig was as wild as a lamb or a child you could whip, for all over the world with the twig, and the truth for to tell, sure I sold her quite well. £2.10 was the price that I got for my pig. I clapped the cash to me tie, saying I'll drink by and by. Down the street I did fly like a sporting young buck, when a handsome young dame that belonged to the game, she right up to me came, to be sure for good luck. She gave me a wink to go in for a drink, inveigled me up to dance Fennessy's jig. 'Twas at the wheel round she slipped her hand down, and then left me quite scarce of the price of my pig. Like a man in despair, when I missed me fair share, I went tearing me hair, seeking her up and down. Every corner and glade I did search out in vain, but a sprig of this dame sure could never be found. Meet her when I will, her I surely will kill. This I swear by each hair in Lord Norbury's wig. Till the day that I die, my revenge I will cry on the dame that did rob me the price of my pig. On to Navan next day, sure I then took me way, for I heard people say that this dame had been seen. But when I got there, having some time to spare, I wetted me care with a drop of poteen. The first to come in, it was Tatter Jack Flynn. We danced a few steps of a nice double jig, thinking I by and by that I'd soon set me eye on the dame that did rob me the price of my pig. Oh, by Tara, by Spreen, by the bog of Armeen, by John Paddy McGee, by the high hill of Hoath, by the church, by the bells, by the great book of Kells, for to swear any more, do you know that I'm loath? If the Lord of Mayo he but heard of me woe, I'm sure he would come in a chaise or a gig, and he'd search the land round till this dame would be found, and he'd clap her in pound for the price of my pig. Now that it's so, it's homewards I'll go, my shuttle I'll throw, and from drink I'll refrain. I'll stick to my loom while my youth is in bloom, and I'll never be caught by a strumpet again. Sincerely I swear, and I swear I'm sincere, not a week will go by, or a month, or a year, till upon this transaction I'll have satisfaction upon the bad action that cost me my pig. Pig.